most common code violations to look for in your home are the things that are usually missed. And the things that are usually missed are going to be identified by a number of parties together. So it's not going to be one particular individual. So you're going to have a number of checks on your project. You may have friends and family who come over who maybe have worked in construction. You're going to have the building department. You're going to have your contractor. You're going to have your subcontractors. You may want to bring your architect and engineer by the project. Architects and engineers aren't necessarily going to be on your actual construction project. This may be an additional service that you need to contract your architect and engineer for, but that would be another good way to determine code violations. For specific code violations, it actually might be variable on the area that you're from. So if you're in Florida, for example, like we're in today, you might have a number of common code violations that are specific to Florida. If you're in the Northeast, Massachusetts or New York City, there's a number of common code violations there because it's a different type of construction type. So this is something to consult with building departments, architects, and engineers, and utilize your subcontractors and contractors as your resource for verifying the quality and the standard of installations.